Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss the next problem in the CSES problem set. So it problem name is Palindrome Reorder. So here we are given a string and we need to check whether we can arrange the characters of the string to form a palindrome or not. If possible, then we have to return the palindrome, else we have to print no solution. So first, to approach this question, we need to understand the property of palindrome. So if, for example, if I take this example, so now if I reverse this string also, then also it remains the same, and it is an odd length palindrome. Since this D is odd, like because of this D, it is odd length palindrome because it is occurring once. Or let us say, if I take another example, so this is an even length palindrome because like I can split it into two halves, one half this and its mirror image is this. So you can also view it like mirror image of the first half. Okay, so this is even length palindrome. So what we observed here is that palindrome can only contain at most, focus on the word at most guys, at most one or odd frequency character. So it any palindrome can have at most one odd frequency character. So if there are what will happen if there are more than one odd frequency characters? For example, A is occurring three times, B is occurring, let us say, three times, and C is occurring two times. So first I will try to arrange like at total I have 3, 3, 6 and 8. So I have 8 characters. So first I will arrange, like let me start with C. So one C at the front, one C at its mirror image in the back. Then B's, so one B here, one B here, and I'm left with one B. Okay, let me take it here only. And again for A's, I will arrange one A here, one A here, and I'm left with one A. So you can see like this is forming mirror image. But if I put here A or B, or in other case if I put B or A, so this is distorting the mirror image and which is hampering me from forming the palindrome. So that's why using this example we showed that palindrome must contain at most one odd frequency characters. Now coming to this question, how to approach this problem. So let's take the given example here. Yeah, so this is the example. So first we will note down the frequencies. So A is occurring 6 times, B is occurring once, and C is occurring twice. So since it is having at most one odd frequency character, which is B, first I will start with a CH and let us say it should be 1. So I'm initializing a character CH with 1. Okay, and now I will start creating the string. So since I am having 6 A's, so I will put 3 A's in my string. Then I come across B, so since B is odd, so I will skip it for now. Then next character is C, so C is occurring twice, so I will add half of it, that means C. Now I will add, now if character CH is not equals to 1, that means it has changed. That means there is a odd character, so I will add the uh, character that many of times. For example, here B is only occurring once, so I will add B once. And now for the rest of the string, I will just reverse this earlier the string I made. So this becomes CAAA. So this is how I form the palindrome. Let us take another example. So for example, A, C is occurring twice, A 3 times, and let us say B 2 times. Now to form palindrome for this, A is occurring thrice, C is occurring twice, and B is occurring twice. So I'll start with A, but since A is odd, so I will skip it and go for C. So C I will put once, since it is even one, so I will put it n by 2 times, like frequency by 2 times you can say. Now for b is also even, so I will put it frequency by 2 times. Now the map has ended its iteration, so now I will check. So I got the character a, which is odd times, so now I will put all the frequencies of a and then just reverse the string, this string. So this is b and this is c. So this is how the algorithm works. So let's just code it up now. So I'm given string as c in s. Now, instead of map, what I would suggest is we should take frequency array, because map has some lookup time, but frequency arrays do have over one lookup time, so which is quite good in our case since we have only 26 alphabets, so we can take frequency arrays. Now I will initialize character ch with 1, which will help me to locate whether there is any odd frequency character in my string or not. And also let me take int count. So count will also give me whether there are more than one characters, odd characters or not. If there are more than one, then I will simply print no solution, because that's not a, because in that case we won't be able to rearrange the alphabets and form the palindrome. Okay, so let's check for auto and ins. So first I will increase the frequency of the characters, and then if frequency of I minus a is odd, so I'll I'll change it to ch to I. Okay, and yeah, so what I'm thinking is like whether we can do it in a single pass or we need two pass or not. So frequency of I minus 2, for example, if I have a c c and b, only one b. So here once count is 1. Okay, so yeah, so to check for palindrome we need another pass, but this should work. For example, a ch is assigned, so first ch will be a, then okay, so we will change it a little bit and start after we have stored the frequency. We cannot do it in a single pass, else that would give us wrong answer. Okay, so now character ch is 1 and count is equals to 0 for auto and I in frequency. If I mod 2, so ch is I plus a. Oh wait, I cannot put it I because I will give me the value, but I want the character, so I need to run the loop, full loop. If frequency of I mod 2 ch I plus a and count plus plus. Now we can check if count is greater than 1, so see out no solution and return. So if count is greater than 1, that means we have more odd characters, odd time occurring characters than 1, so count is 1. And else, now we will create the palindrome. So string answer, it's an empty string initialized, and for int I is equals to 0, I less than 26, I plus plus. If I is even, so I have to check for even only. If frequency of I is even, so in x, let me say frequency of I by 2, and I will add x times that character into the answer. For int let me say j is equals to 0, j less than x, j plus plus, answer plus is equals to I plus a. Okay, so this will give me the character. Now if ch is empty, that means it's in the same state that we initialize at line number 18. So that means there is no odd characters, and we can simply append answer with, let me create string rev is equals to answer. Now reverse rev dot begin comma rev dot end, and answer plus is equals to rev, and see out answer ender. And else I like also else we have odd frequency character occurring. So this much part is same, like we need the reverse string, but before appending it, what we need to do is int frequency of odd character will be frequency of ch minus a. So this will give me the frequency of odd character that is occurring. And now for int I is equals to 0, I less than x, I plus plus, I need to add this character ch to a, x times it will add, and now after that I will add rev the reverse part, and then see out answer ender. Yeah, so this is the solution. I hope it should work. Let me check for some test cases. Okay, so here we have 6 A's, 2 C and 1 B. So I'm getting 3 A's here, 3 A's here, 1 C here, 1 C here, 1 B in the middle. So it's working perfectly for odd length palindrome. Let's check for even length and remove this B to check whether it's working fine or not. Yeah, it's working fine. And now let's check for a wrong test case. So let me add maybe 1A and 1B more. So this will give two odd frequency characters. So it should give no solution. Yeah, it is giving no solution. Let's submit it out. Yeah, as you can see, it got accepted. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you.